Hello everyone! So if you want to enable and disable WhatsApp notifications on your Xiaomi Watch S3, first of all make sure that your watch is connected to your phone. Now open up your Mi Fitness application and here press Device. In your device section you are to find Notifications and Calls, press App Notifications, and here you gotta enable your custom notifications options by tapping on the switch. Now, find your WhatsApp. So here is our WhatsApp. So if it's turned on, it means that notifications are off and you won't receive any on your watch. However, if you want to have them on, simply tap on the switch near it. When it glows orange, means it's on, and basically that's it. Now to save the changes, simply close the menu and it will be saved automatically. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.